Rebound relationship myths busted. This video is for you if your ex is in a rebound relationship and you want to know what the hell is going on there and just bust all of these fucking myths that you hear here on YouTube or from friends and family. This is number one. Number two, if you are about to go into a rebound relationship or you are in a rebound relationship, just know what is about to happen and how this rebound relationship is going to unfold for you. I'm Coach Goldman, your relationship and breakup coach. Without any further ado, number one, rebounds help you move on faster. Many people think that by going under someone else, it helps you get over your ex, which is the worst thing. This is not the truth. This is just the myth. The reality is that rebounds are only a distraction. They use as a distraction. The unresolved pain resurfaces once the initial honeymoon phase fades, leaving you to face with the emotion you were trying to avoid. So if you are going into a rebound relationship or your ex is in a rebound relationship, just know that they're just trying to avoid. They're using this new person, this new supply as an emotional crutch. Once the honeymoon phase is over, this is where they are regretting. Usually they're coming back to you, pleading, begging for you to take them back because they feel so shitty. They know what they had with you. People who get into a rebound relationship, they are very weak emotionally and they also try to bypass the grief process because you're going through this right now. Going through a breakup, it's painful as fuck. It's really, really hard. And not a lot of people can handle that. This is why many people go into a rebound relationship to numb the pain, to ease the pain. And society actually tells you that this is okay. Society actually shows you that if you are single, something is wrong with you. And moreover than that, if your ex broke up with you and they are already in a relationship, you might think that something is wrong with you if you didn't get into a relationship right away. Because you say, hey, they moved on. How come I didn't move on? People who go into rebound relationships just don't understand the grief process. You cannot bypass the grief process. Once you're not actually processing your emotions, it will bite you in the ass. And if this is your ex, it will bite them in the ass. They will need to reckon with themselves at some point. And I say sooner, the better. If you're going through a breakup right now, take the fucking time to heal. Do the work, and I'm helping you with this channel. I'm helping you with my online healing coaching program, The Rise of the Phoenix. I'm helping with my coaching, with everything. You got help. You got the right information. Just use it. And if you need help, The Rise of the Phoenix, now available for only $37 for you guys. It's going to be for a very limited amount of time. So make sure you take advantage of it and heal correctly. It's not just about how fast you heal, it's how good you heal. It's the quality of your healing, because the quality of your healing in this breakup will determine the quality of your relationship, your next relationship. The reason that I say next relationship, not this one, because you are not taking your ex back under any circumstances. They prove to you that they are not worthy. They went with someone else. It's done. It's done 100%. If you need to understand it further, go to my channel, revisit my channel, watch all of the videos that I made about rebound relationships, why it doesn't work, why you shouldn't take your ex back, and all that good stuff. Number two, rebounds prove you're over your ex. Like I said, it doesn't prove that. It just proves that this person that goes into a rebound relationship don't understand the grief process. So when you see people breaking up and moving on fast, because moving forward is actually doing the work correctly. Moving on is just brushing it under the table and go with someone else. When you see this happening, just realize and look at them and say, oh my God, poor thing. They don't understand the grief process. It's going to bite them in the ass. And you know that 100% of the times, and I'm telling you from coaching hundreds and thousands of people, rebound relationships never, ever, ever work. Go to my channel in one of the first videos that I made, 18 reasons why rebound relationships always fail. Make sure you watch it and you will understand it so extensively. Number three, rebounds turn into long-term relationships. Never turn into long-term relationships if they are continuing, if they are lasting over a year, they turn toxic. They never work. the foundation is lie. The foundation is not healthy. The foundation is, I was so weak and I went to a relationship with you because I couldn't handle my emotions. So I used you as an emotional crutch, and now you're so comfortable to me that I will stay. But what happens when shit hits the fan again? This person did not work on themselves to become emotionally resilient and strong enough to handle the conflict in a relationship. They don't have a relationship, a conflict resolution skills as well, because they don't actually resolve it. They just try to mask the pain. And this is where it will meet them again. Now it's a ticking time bomb. Rebound relationships are a ticking time bomb. They never work. And if they last more than a year, like I mentioned, they turn toxic because the person starts thinking, maybe I can do better. The person who rebounded always thinks, maybe I can do better. This person took me too soon, too fast. And then they start wondering, they start ruminating, then they start thinking about even other people or their ex is just complete shit show. And this is one of the many reasons that it cannot work and it turns toxic. Number four, rebounds are harmless fun. The myth is that a rebound is just a light-hearted fling with no consequences. Come on, you're fucking with people's heart here. This is serious. Karma will bite you in the ass. If you're in a rebound relationship, be careful. And if your ex is in a rebound relationship, just wait. Just wait, karma will catch up with him. Now, the reality that rebounds can and will hurt everyone involved. The reason that you're rebounding with may develop deeper feelings and could unintentionally repeat toxic patterns from your past relationship. So if a person goes into a rebound relationship, they didn't resolve something and they just pay it forward, move it forward. Does that sound like a healthy relationship to you? If this is you, don't go there. Don't go there. It's not going to work. You're going to hurt yourself and the next person. This is why I am offering you the Rise of the Phoenix and my channel for free and all this stuff, because I want you to heal correctly. Because once you are healed, you will not perpetuate the same behaviors to other people. When you're healed, you don't seek emotional comfort from someone else. You seek companionship. It's different. Love. You are getting into the relationship because you want it, not because you need it. But in a rebound relationship, it comes from a need, not a want. They need relief. They don't want a relationship and a true connection. This is why it's based on a lie. It's based on a fucking lie. Nothing good can come out of it ever. Number five, rebounds boost your self-esteem. The myth, being with someone you immediately rebuild your confidence. The reality, true self-esteem comes from within, not from external validation. Using your relationship to feel better about yourself often leads to dependence on others for your self-worth. So instead of seeking internal validation, people seek external validation. A rebounders, they seeking the external validation, which will never truly fulfill them inside. It's just a temporary relief. They put on a band-aid where they actually need stitches, not going to work. Why rebound relationships never work? Like I already mentioned, if I haven't mentioned already many, many, many times, rebounds are a coping mechanism, not a healthy solution. They're just a coping mechanism. They lack the emotional depth, stability, and mutual readiness needed for a lasting relationship. Now, without taking the time to heal, reflect, and grow after a breakup, any new relationship is bound to carry the same issues you haven't resolved or they haven't resolved. What to do instead? Take the time to heal. Focus on yourself, not on a new relationship. Start developing a relationship with yourself. That's the thing. You need to start developing a new relationship with yourself. If this is your ex, they didn't develop a relationship with themselves and they start developing a relationship with someone else immediately, they immediately become codependent, and then the other person feels a lot of pressure. this is where usually the other person leaves them because they say, come on, you're too fucking needy. Even if your ex wasn't needy with you, they will be needy with someone else because this someone else now, they need them for emotional reassurance. They need it for validation of their character and who they are. Do you really think it's going to work? No. Now, remember, true healing leads to a healthier, more fulfilling relationships in the future. Don't let rebound myth keep you stuck in a cycle of unresolved pain. Focus on becoming the best version of yourself. You deserve that, and you can do that. You can do that. There are many resources, free resources, paid resources here on my channel. You got my online course. You got for free my online healing community, The Rise of the Phoenix. You can ask me questions in my live Q&A. You can drop questions in the link in the description below. You can email me to paz@pazgoldman.com if you have a specific question I can help you with. There are many things that you can do, and I want to help you. I want you to heal your heart. Like I said, when you heal yourself, you heal those around you. I healed myself, and I know I'm not going to hurt anyone deliberately. Of course, if it happens, it happens. In love, sometimes it happens, but not like that. Not rebounding, cheating, deceiving. You go into a relationship for pure beautiful intention. You go there because you want to share everything that you've got, the knowledge, the resources, everything. You want to teach your partner about attachment style, about healthy relationships, good communication. You want to lead by example because this is why you're watching this channel. You're educating yourself to a degree that you become a master. A master. And this is beautiful. Make sure that you are taking care of yourself, whether you are about to get into a rebound relationship or you're in a rebound relationship, just exit. Or if your ex is in a rebound relationship, just pray for them. Just pray for them. They don't understand. They don't know. They don't know. They don't know what they don't know. But you do. So you don't repeat these mistakes. Don't move on that quickly. Take the time, heal. Join me on the Rise of the Phoenix, where I can hold your hand and guide you and do it correctly. Do it correctly this time because the quality of this healing, this breakup, the quality of your healing will determine the quality of your next relationship. With that said, you guys, I love you. Send you a huge hug from afar, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Take care.